Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Wix lockdown. So if your Wix website is in a lockdown or restricted mode, it typically means that there is an issue preventing full access to your site. So this can happen due to security measures, payment issues or other reasons. Here are some steps that you can take to fix the Wix website lockdown mode. Now, first step is checking your billing information. Log into your Wix account, navigate to account settings on this page and navigate to payments. And you can also click on a profile icon in the top right and select account settings. Now on this page, you'll have to navigate to payment methods and click on add a payment method if you haven't any. Now, if you have already added a payment method, ensure that everything is up to date, including outstanding bills. If there's an unpaid bill or payment issue, resolve it by adding a valid payment method or clearing any overdue charges. If you receive a message saying your site is in lockdown due to violating Wix terms of service, review the terms of service, look for any specific policies you might have unintentionally violated using prohibited content or engaging in fraudulent activities. If you believe your site has been flagged incorrectly, contact Wix support for clarification. Now, Wix may place a site in lockdown if it detects malicious activities like malware or suspicious content. So run a security check on your website, ensuring that there are no suspicious links or files or vulnerabilities. Now, ensure that your website content complies with Wix security standards, and if your site was flagged for security reasons, Wix support will often assist in removing the restriction once this issue is fixed. And if you're using custom domain on Wix, check the status of your domain. Go to All Sites option. So go to the Wix dashboard, navigate to Settings, scroll down and navigate to Domains and ensure that your domain is active and not expired. If there's an issue with your domain registration, example, payment failure or expired domain, it can cause your website to go into lockdown. If the domain is expired or has an issue, renew and resolve the problem with your domain provider. You should also check for any pending site verification, and if none of the above steps work, simply contact Wix support and they will help you restore access to your site and after reviewing your Wix website. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix the Wix lockdown and restore full access to your website. If the issue persists, Wix support is your best option for a detailed resolution. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.